When we talk of wealth, we definitely think about the West, the Silicon Valley, and the Dubai oil refineries. But there is a group of Africans who are making their way to the top of the pyramid. But hold on, where do they live? Right now, as you watch this, there is 135,000 individuals who are high net worth living in Africa. And at the top of the pyramid, there is the billionaires. One country in Africa, only one, holds many billionaires than any other country in Africa. Which country is this? It's not that country with the most oil. It's not that country with the highest population. It is a country of beauty. But if we talk the truth, it's a country of diverse inequality. For a long time, the world has viewed Nigeria as the king of this title race. And for some reason, it is. Because Aliko Dangote, the top billionaire in Africa, is truly Nigerian. And he has held this title for a very long time. But today, the third country with the most billionaires is Nigeria. Nigeria has 4 billionaires. These billionaires majorly dwell with cement, oil, and the internal market. You know, Nigeria has the highest population, almost the highest population in Africa. Now, the market is diverse. But there is a difference between having the only billionaire in Africa and having the top billionaires in Africa living in your country. The second country is Egypt. Egypt has 5 billionaires. These Mansour kings have empires built running from London up to Cairo. They've built empires that make money over centuries. The champion is South Africa. South Africa has 7 billionaires and 37,000 millionaires living in one country. Isn't this country rich? Today, we go into the boardrooms of South Africa. We break down how it became the capital of African billionaires. South African billionaires are built in 3 major pillars. The first one is the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. This is the largest and the biggest and the oldest stock exchange in Africa. As countries and other entrepreneurs trying to so hard to go public, get global, the South Africans have been doing this for centuries and decades, making the paper wealth become billionaire wealth. Now, the second pillar, new money versus the new technologies. Now, look at John Rupert. His company, Richmond, owns Monty Black that supplies fashion to the global 1%. The global 1%, only those who can afford, we call 1%. Then you have Nicky Oppenheimer, whose family's name is very synonymous in the diamond market. Now, this is not just African wealth. This is global wealth based in Africa. Unlike the oil kings of the 90s, the elite of South Africa, the top of the food chain, the kings of the pyramids, they are in fine tech, they are in telecommunication, they are in oil, they are in retail. Now, this one ensures that their portfolio stays afloat when the market depends. When one goes down, they still stay afloat. But is a country really rich when the country has the top billionaires and the top millionaires of a continent, but the employment rate is 30%? Is that country really rich? A question. Will South Africa hold this throne for a long time? Because now Egypt is now privatizing the state-owned companies. This one is creating room for new moguls in the business sector and the billionaire podiums. Now, Nigeria is on the other side refining its own oil now. After a very long time, Nigeria is now refining its own oil. And watch out for Kenya. The Silicon Savannah is now minting millionaires, tech millionaires like no other country. Now, will South Africa really remain afloat?